What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to look at the program Qdslr Dashboard. It's a free open source program for Windows, Linux, or Mac where you can control your DSLR from the computer. It used to have EOS utility, but I haven't found anywhere to install that anymore. I don't think it's supported, so this is a good way to plug in your DSLR via USB and control it. So to get started, I'm on a Windows 10 PC here. To get started, we'll just Google Qdslr Dashboard. And then we'll go to this website, dslrdashboard.info. We're going to go to the Downloads tab. Here you've got some apps, but at the top here you've got a PDF manual. So we're going to download that in case we need it. And then we'll scroll down to the downloads. I'm on a Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows x64 edition. You've got two options for each one, Mirror 1 and Mirror 2. We're going to download the Mirror 2 for this x64 edition because it looks like Mirror 1 is having some kind of issue and says 0 kilobytes. So we'll download this one. And it's going to download the zip file. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and open it up. And we're going to unzip it. So I'll click there and click Extract All. So now we have this folder in our Downloads folder with all these files in it. And I'll just go ahead and show you inside that folder, you've got the Qdslr Dashboard application. You can double click that and go ahead and open it. We've actually got this notification that it's an unrecognized app. So you can click More Info and then Run Anyway. And then here's the app opening up, but I'm going to close it because I don't want to keep it in my Downloads folder. I'm going to move it to my C drive program files. So I'll just move this unzipped folder into program files. Click Continue. Now I have my unzipped Qdslr Dashboard folder in there. So if I go in there and then go inside this folder, I can see my application file, and I'll just right click and send it to desktop so I have a shortcut. So now I have Qdslr Dashboard installed. I moved it to my C drive program files folder. This is saying that when Qdslr Dashboard wants to communicate on some networks because it can find some cameras on the network. I don't plan to be using that, but just to bypass this, I'm going to click Private Networks, uncheck Public Networks, and hit Allow Access. So that's how you install Qdslr Dashboard. In the next video, I'm going to connect up my Canon 7D and show you around the program and what it can do.